Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Naisha. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have my luggages here because your girl is getting ready to get back on the road, get back to these flights, get back to traveling. I am a military contractor. If you guys have not watched my Get to Know Me tag, I'll be sure to link it in at the very end of this video so you can just click on that one and really get to know me. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a vlog. I am going to be packing my things inside of my bags, showing you guys some essential things that I think that you should take if you are thinking about becoming a contractor and traveling or whatever the case may be. I'm going to show y'all what I'm bringing. I'm also be giving you guys some footage when I'm at the airport, when I'm on my flight, once I get to my final destination, and then I give you guys a room tour because you know it's always about the room tour. Where are you gonna be staying at? How's your living conditions gonna be? Like, y'all ain't even gonna have to ask me in the comments. I'm gonna show y'all everything I need to see. So without further ado, let's get straight to this video. So far I already laid out all of the jeans and my work shirts that I'm going to be taking, and then I also have some sweats because of course you always got to bring some sweats wherever you go. Always bring sweats to be comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those items in my bag, and then I'll be back with you guys. I am going to readjust the camera so you guys can see me. You guys will also see Princess because she's everywhere I'm at. She follows me around the house, and that's just how it goes. So okay guys, so this is all of the essential things that I'm going to be taking, only because I'm not sure if they will sell these things over there, and I'm very picky on what products I use on my body as far as lotion, body wash, everything. So I'm going to bring everything myself, but I love Dove, so I'm going to be taking 3 bottles. Hopefully this lasts me. If not, then I'm kind of assed out. But yeah, I'm going to be bringing 3 of these, 2 loofers because I like to change out mine, a converter so I can be able to charge all my electronics. I got some traveling size containers. I'm not really sure if I'm going to need them, but I bought them just in case. Of course, antibacterial soap. I got 2 bottles. Of course, you got to keep the Summer's Eve to make sure you know everything is fresh down there. I got some more body wash only because I love Bath and Body Works. Some face wipes. Hopefully 2 is enough. I got some Q-tips, two toothbrushes because I like to change out my toothbrushes as well. Some floss, Neosperm, gel for my hair, of course. Deodorant, Aveeno lotion, and then I got some mouthwash, of course. And then I have this sinus wash system only because I have bad sinus. And then of course I'm going to take all of my prescriptions, and then yeah, this is pretty much it that I'm going to be taking, I believe. And I am all done with one. I still have a lot of room over here, but I do want to go buy me some new workout clothes. I mean, not workout clothes. I do want to go buy me some more work shoes so I can put those in there, and then I'll probably just throw a couple sweaters in there just in case it gets a little chilly at night, and that's pretty much it. I am currently at the airport, Austin Airport. I am about to travel all the way to Germany, and I've decided to take you all along with me. I am pretty early, so I'm standing outside just because I don't want to wear my mask inside right now. But I will get back with you guys once I get checked in and through TSA and just sitting and waiting on my flight. So I'll see you guys then. So for the most part, the airport is pretty empty, except for when it's actually time to board your flight, then that's when you see crowds. But of course, I'm standing over here by myself, practicing social distancing. So my flight boards in like 20 minutes, I want to say. So I go from here to Dallas.
Yeah, about 20.
And then I have like a 4-hour layover in Dallas, which is, I don't know what I'm gonna do for 4 hours, but write my paper. And then from Dallas, I go all the way to Frankfurt, Germany. And then from there, I go to a smaller airport, but that's not important. But I will see you guys once I get to Dallas or once I get on the airplane.
All electronic devices are put away and your tray table is stowed. If you have a carry-on, push it all the way under the seat in front of you. If it won't fit, place it in the overhead bin. Not like so. Then slip the bag over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side.
Okay guys, so we have made it to Dallas. Hi.
Please do not block the doors. Allow people to exit. Board here for all A and B gates. Please do not block the doors. This train is departing.
Okay, we're finally on the So y'all, at Frankfurt, I'm walking to the shuttle to get on a flight to Hanover.
Objects from falling out. Captain Engelhardt and his crew would like to thank you for having chosen this Lufthansa Starlines flight today. We wish you a pleasant remaining, hopefully sunny day here in Hanover and a good and safe onward journey. It is important to us that you feel comfortable on board even as you are disembarked. After the seatbelt signs have been switched off, please stay seated, also in the interest of your fellow passengers, until your seat row is called. This also allows
Okay, so this is how the room looks when you first walk in. I'm already moved in, guys, so you guys will see my things. This is the bathroom, the shower, and then the toilet. So, and then there's a big mirror. I love that mirror. So that's my work bag right there, a little sit down area. I got my luggage stored in the back. The refrigerator is right here. Then of course they give you a little coffee cup to make coffee every morning. I just keep my snacks up there. Okay, this is where all of my clothes are at, inside up there. Again, the lounge area, living room, little couch. I love this painting, guys. So beautiful. This is the bed. It gives you 2 twin beds. And then of course I have the desk over there. And let me show you guys this view. It's so beautiful. Well, it's not ugly, but that is the town out there. We're about to go out there and I'll show you guys around. But this is my view right here. But yeah, this is my home for the next couple weeks.